Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm about to show you my buttercream secret, so stay back and watch. Feel free to ask questions and comments. Normal UK butter. I'm measuring out 400 grams of butter. That's what I need for this buttercream. I'm going to be using 1 pack of icing sugar. That's 1 kg of icing sugar for this. So you can see the butter is so strong. This is when you need your microwave so badly. So this time around I need to pop it in the microwave, but the mistake is I left it for a longer time and it's as if the whole thing wanted to melt off. So I have to remove it from the microwave and allow it to cool off before I started using. So right now it's a bit cool, so I'm placing it straight into my standing mixer to process. Yes, I want to mix it while I check whether it's good. At the point I was as if I've lost this butter, as in the whole thing is a mess, but I encouraged myself. So I popped it into the standing mixer, trying my luck, but immediately it started changing. I was so happy and I allowed it to mix a little while before I started adding my icing sugar. Please don't forget, I love sieving all my dry ingredients. So the icing sugar I need to sieve also. So look at that. So before you know what is going on, the colors start changing. I was so excited. I was so excited at this point. So it's time to sieve my icing sugar. For the buttercream, all you need is 1 pack of icing sugar. That's 1 kg with a 400 grams of butter. I have already creamed it, and water. Please, you can replace this water with milk, liquid milk, and your vanilla flavor. Though I don't have measurements for the water because it depends on the texture. Some love their own soft, some love their own a bit strong. So depending on the texture you want. So right now a little of my icing sugar I mixed. If it's looking hard, start adding your water, please, with your tablespoon. Please don't pour directly so that you will not pour more than what you need. For the vanilla flavor, I'm adding just 1 teaspoon. That is all I need for the buttercream decoration I'm making. So I'll take my time. As I'm adding the icing sugar, if the buttercream is looking hard or strong, please add little water to it till you mix. Or for this little one, I'm going to add it lastly when I want to pipe. So I'm leaving that one aside. So I'll mix, incorporate everything before I start my main work. Number one thing you need to know about this buttercream is that I did not use standing mixer or hand mixer to mix in my icing sugar. Reason: if you use your standing mixer or hand mixer to mix, sometimes you over mix and the air bubbles will be much on your butter icing. When you start decorating, you will start struggling. So it's important you do this my style. It's my little secret and it always works perfect. Use your hand mixer or standing mixer to cream your butter only. Use your spatula or wooden spoon to add in your icing sugar. Thanks for watching. Bye.